Welcome to JitendraDeCodes. Today we'll see the question explaining the difference between lists, tuples, sets and dictionaries in Python. While responding to this question to the interviewer, start with thanking with him, just like thanks for this question. With the X number of experience, I have seen how the choosing right data structure directly impacts performance, readability and maintainability of code. List, tuples, sets and dictionaries are foundational in Python, and understanding their differences is critical for designing efficient solutions. So first let's see what are the definition and core explanation. So lists are ordered, mutable collection that allows duplicates. Think of them as a dynamic arrays. Then tuples are ordered. They are immutable collections. Once created, they cannot be changed, which makes reliable for mixed data. Then let's see sets. These are the unordered collection of unique elements. They automatically eliminate duplicates and are optimized for membership checks. Then the last one, dictionaries. Dictionaries are the key value mappings, where each key is unique and maps to a value. They provide fast lookups and are essential for structured data. Now let's see examples in each of the type. So the list that can hold up mixed data types and they are represented in square brackets. Tuples can be nested and they are represented in round brackets. Sets, they are created in curly braces and there can be a duplicates and they can be nested. Dictionaries, these are storing mappings and they are key value pairs and stored in curly braces. So let's see an example wherein these data types are used. For example, in finance, dictionaries are invaluable when modeling stock portfolios. Let's say example of keys 0020 can represent ticker symbol and values can represent holdings. These allow constant time lookups for stock positions, which is critical in high frequency trading systems. List might not store transaction histories. Tuples could represent immutable records like date and price, which cannot be changed. And sets can be track unique clients and instruments. So while using these data types, there are certain challenges and pitfalls that we need to mitigate. Like using list with uniqueness is required. Better to use sets. Forgetting the tuples are immutable, which creates the error and leads to the bug in our program. Misusing dictionaries by assuming order before Python 3.7. Now they preserve insertion order, but older versions did not. So make sure which version you are using and the result will be accordingly shown. And the performance issue. Larger membership checks in list are slower compared to the sets. To avoid this, I always align data structure with the problem constraint and test edge cases. Alternatives like collections, ordered dictionary or difficult dictionary can also be leveraged when specializing behavior whenever needed. So in short, list, tuples, sets and dictionaries each serve distinct purpose. They all have their different purposes. Ordered sequence, immutable records, unique collections and key value mapping. These are their original traits and we need to consider them while using and implementing in our programming world. Mastery of this structure ensures clean, efficient and scalable solutions. That's a discipline I have constantly applied throughout my career. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and do comment whatever next you want to see. Thank you.